Hello planner babes, this is Mandy from Create with Mandy, and I think I have a really fun video for you today. So I have this summer journal here, and I have some other journals as well, but this is the one I want to work in today. I used one spread in it to just kind of showcase my Kodak printer, and I created this fun little summer spread, which I really like how it turned out with a little caption. And I thought for the rest of it, since it is a summer themed journal, that I would do like something fun with summer photos. So I have these photos here that I printed out a while ago, and I think my original intention for printing these photos back when was to do a summer bucket list or a summer vision board. And they kind of just got lost in life and things happening, and I haven't done anything with them. So I thought it'd be super fun to kind of do a journal with them. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I think I just want to be super creative, use up these photos. They're all summer themed. And yeah, so I was gonna quickly show you guys some of my last journals. These I just use for anything. This one I actually did a lot of journaling and writing in some stuff. There is a flip through of this whole planner a little bit more in depth on my Instagram on IGTV. There's a whole video of this. And then this is one that I've been using a little bit more recently. Just been doing some different stuff with it, some journaling. I did a challenge in there, and so I thought it'd be fun to do this video. So I have my photos printed out. I have some washi here. This set is like a under the sea, I don't know, it's from the Happy Planner. It came out a while ago. There's like coral, there's some scales, shells on this one, so I thought that would be cute. And I have these two, which I thought were just kind of summer fun colors. This came in a student pack a while ago. And then this one came in a floral pack, and this one is super old, and you can tell because they used to use cardboard as like the inner part, and then they switched to plastic, which is super unfortunate. I wish they will make them with cardboard again, because that's 100 times more sustainable, because the cardboard is recyclable when you're done with this. So I've got those washi tapes. I've got some sticker books here. I just picked out some like summer themed ones just to start with, and I probably will just stick to these. And then I also just went ahead real quick and pulled out some pages from a magazine, just some bright colors that I thought I could use pieces and parts from. I don't know if I'm gonna end up using these because, like I said, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I just have this really vague idea in my head, so I might use some of those. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna speed this up, set it to some music, and I'm not really gonna do an explanation of what I'm doing because, like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I probably won't have a reason for why I put things in certain places other than what I've already told you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So let's go.